In today's video, I'm going to show you how I write my description and my tags for every single video to make sure that it gets seen by the right audience so that it can get the most views possible, and how I can continue to keep growing on YouTube by making sure I fill in my description and tags correctly. These are some simple steps that you need to make sure that you're doing in every single video so that you can reach the right audience and grow on YouTube. So let's get into the video. Right guys, so I'm on my YouTube studio and I'm going to walk you through the process of me going ahead and uploading a video, how I do my description and my tags, and you guys can follow along to make sure that you're doing the right steps in every single video that you upload to make sure it reaches the right audience and you get the most amount of views. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and upload our video here. So we're going to go upload video. Okay, so this video isn't about the title, this is purely description and tags, so we're not going to worry too much about the title in this video. But the very first thing I want to do, I've already chosen the title for this video, so I like to put that at the very top of the description, so I just grab that and add it in there. And then I want to go ahead and do a little intro of what the video is about, what it actually covers, and then from there we go in and actually add more into the description, something that people don't actually read, but it's for the YouTube algorithm to understand what the video is about so it can show it to the right audience. I'm going to go ahead now and put in the intro into the description here, and I'll show you once I'm done. Okay, so that is a brief little intro that I have written there. So that just kind of summarizes what I talk about in the video. It's kind of good to have that there because it will show up when somebody searches for something. It'll pick up the keywords that are in the title and in the description, and of course in the little intro here as well. You don't want to go ahead and talk about what you actually mention in the video, because if somebody reads the description, they'll either ruin it for them or they'll just click out of the video because they already got what they wanted. So make sure you don't actually cover what you actually. So make sure you don't give anything. So make sure you don't give anything away in the intro, but just talk about what it is you exactly cover to help the YouTube algorithm know exactly what the video is about. The next thing I like to do is go ahead and add my watch next. Always important to have that in there. Make sure you also got somewhere for people to subscribe as well, and if you have any links to other things, make sure you have that in your description as well. So I grabbed my videos from previous ones of videos that are linked to the same topic that people will be interested in, so make sure you add in your watch next there. And then I actually go ahead and scroll down a bit, and this is where I add in all the keywords that this video is about to really help it get shown to the right audience, to help people find it in search and for it to be recommended and things like that, all by using the keywords that this video is about. Now to do this, I actually go ahead and go down to TubeBuddy here, and I actually use the keywords that have been suggested. Now I actually already have the keywords that I want to use, so I'm just going to go ahead and type that up right now. So I've done my little overview here of exactly what the video covers, and this is all making sure that I cover all of the keywords that I talk about in the video that's covered in the title, and any other keywords that can help the YouTube algorithm to show it to the right audience. So obviously Teespring needs to be in here. I've got Teespring merchandise shelf, obviously got YouTube in here. I've got things like, is it worth it? Does it actually work? And all these little keywords that I've used that I know are something that people are searching for. I've done Teespring videos in the past and I know what keywords are ranking in search for me. So I want to make sure that those keywords are covered in my description and also in my tags. So any keywords that I'm using in the title or in the description, I make sure that it's in the tags as well. You want to cover all of your bases in your description and your tags. And this is how you rank in YouTube search, guys. This is how you get seen in the homepage and in search and all of these kinds of things by the YouTube algorithm knowing exactly what this video is about, what it's actually covering, so they know what audience to show it to. If they know what keywords are in the video and what you talk about, this is done by what you say, what's in your title, what's in your thumbnail, and what's in your description and tags. This is all going to help the YouTube algorithm to understand what the video is about, what you talk about, and therefore it can take that information and show it to the right audience. Once it knows what it's about, it knows who's best suited for it, and you're going to get the best results from this. So making sure that you do your description, so making sure you cover all your keywords in your description So making sure you cover all your keywords in your description and in your tags, hugely important. A lot of people don't do this, and I'll make sure that every single video I'm going ahead and doing this process in my description. So make sure that you go ahead and do this in your own videos, and let me know in the comment section down below what results you get. Right guys, that was showing you guys a step-by-step process of how to do my title, description, and tags. Mostly description and tags was what this video was covering. I wanted to show you guys so how important it is to make sure your keywords are covered in your description, obviously in your title and thumbnail as well, but also in your description, and tags is really important. So make sure your keywords are covered exactly what you talk about in your video, matching what's actually in your description, because if the YouTube algorithm matches these keywords, it's going to know what it's about and who the right audience is for your video. If you get your video shown to the right audience, that video is going to do well. So make sure that you're doing this in every single video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any other questions you'd like to see future videos on. I love trying to help you guys out, so let me know if you have any other videos you'd like to see in the future. And if you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over.